So today we are going to learn about video transition, and in that transition there is one more transition which is transformer. So we are going to learn about how to add these transformer transitions in video clips. I have taken two clips, and as I said yesterday, go to FX panel, click into video transition, and here you can see transformers. So in this there are so many options, but these two are the new ones. So I will click and drag this 3D spin transformer into this in between these two clips. Now,
How about a
like
count
this.
we'll start with? I want to give you my 7.
So before we used to do it in After Effects, now you can easily do it in Premiere Pro. So whatever the edit you want to make, you can make it easily in Premiere Pro. So that's it for today. I'll see you in the next one.